Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kashnong Mauslia kabahab hapo ka Southwest Khasa Hills District kabadon hasanda jongkawa umngi kadai gawai na gishnong kabala syakta bha namar ka jing syaklong ha kapor liur ha kawa umngi kabadon markap bat kashnong kat banang mi gisngi ka kalanang klong shushu sasya gijaka badon gi yeng gisem jong gi pait ba nong shong shnong namar ka jing bum ihun ya karukom tei ya ka kenro ya da ya ka jing klong kinong yalam shnong gila mi syakmat ban pensange no ya ka jing trei bala pentrei daga Brahmaputra board kumta ha ka santarik uyayong arjar arpusan UMLA jongga Ranikor constituency uba Pius Marwen ulahir jurip daladi ya ka jing pentrei ya ka kenro bala mang pisa khat pra klur tengka harengkat ka jing idon lang general manager jongga Brahmaputra board UA Kumar lembat ki officer na ka office jong chief engineer katanat water resources ka sarkar jilla bat ki wei halor ka jing bumhun ya ka rukam shnai ya ka kenro nakaliang jongga Brahmaputra board kalarai bakan sapen krep yang ya ka mang tengka namar bakat kum ka detailed project report bala dep mang pisa kamdap satya
Sir is the MLA here. Madam is the scientist from the National Institute of Hydrology. And our chief engineer Brahmaputra board. We have, in this portion, we have 5 such type of parts. So, like we would like to know, sir, what is the because our contractors they have been restricted from like doing this work. So, because the villagers have some issues. So, what are the issues? We'll certainly like to know because this is for the basically for the people only, and we are doing as per the approved DPR. So, like we'll certainly like to see what the issues. So, that is why the committee is here. That is why our general manager
to seek of the villagers.
मतलब चाहिए मतलब जैसा बालात जैसा काम किया
और एक चाहिए सर.
In their very simple words, they are saying they want balat
revetment.
means revetment and apron kind of situation they want. And obviously, these are not going to help because this is the depth of the slope is also very high. And seeing the river, seeing the composition of the material made, for this bank, appears this is a river and it will go. Because the strength of this bank is not that much. But within this contract, it is possible or not, we have to see.
Dengan ada senang na balat dengan songkang ni apa muslia dengan kuat bentuk itu sepanggan ka senang muslia bajia babam ka senang apa muslia te bat kawai mentah ni apa muslia la long kumba asnam mentah la don he la bam kan ka senang tentang kiwan ni ki company na apa Brahmaputra bat ki senang te kiwan ban kli ki senang ban senang kumno ban lek kumno tengi ki senang long montip baha ban batai na marniro eljong patkule puthi te patnang baha ban batai te don ki engineer ki bun ki engineer by one na po Brahmaputra hane bat ki male yum tala ya wan lang ne ba fuse ngwen te bat ki businong te dai pan bai hi ban le kumno ban pan bhai ka ne ka snong mo sia ne kam tam po west kasil jingin ta te minta pada kila ong ban mesya ki wan sisin kila wan hne ban le ka ne ka yu ka sekdam te laksa objek no namar dombiang trikam te minta pada lawan biang kini ki bru company berkibus nong te ban ban baik ban le kuno ban pan bahai kini ka snong muslia
For the making this project more efficient and more improved kind of thing. And just we are also taking the views from the villagers and local community also, so that their inspiration and other can be also be met out. So this is the main objective of today's visit, basically, of this committee. And this is a technical committee, and we have members from NIH, Central Water Commission. We have a professor from AEC in this committee, and WRD, additional chief engineer, is also there, and Central Water Commission AC is also accompanying in this committee. So we are going to suggest some measures basically to make this so that this what measure we have taken so far is more sustainable, and it serves the purpose for which this we are taking.
When are you supposed to complete this project?
This project is timeline is 2 years basically, and within timeline we will complete it. Probably 2026.
Lawan ban jengok biang dan respect yang kena wa umni ke bagi sektor di balakol tenda daka bama putrabot bama kot saka kata kru mat bapa kata kru sene itu cikre kala ya cecak kumat ya ini kama kadon pat kecaka kama kasnong kam snogun kasnong kam snogun bai dei ke cikre di ngilaya wan jengok ne kata di bor daka bama putrabot ada uhe ke bama putrabot mataki engineer nampak kapal mokrabot dekat nampak state national CE dekat water resources dekat state ni dan lawan peta juga ni kita sisa kita jaga ke bakas nong kam semua hab ada patung kacing le patung kacing raya tapi uhe yang dia jadi ni lah juga ni naya baik dan kalau kapal mokrabot tu kalau yang ni kata bagi kita jaga ke bahap berbek mah apa benda mai patung kacing dan kam jong mereka cing pam jong mereka kok mereka wa ni nak yang kedua mereka por mereka pergi nong hi jong mereka senong katai ini nak pau ya dah cing ke bagi kenduk ni bila lap di Islam por di baladat kena bawa mi dan yutek kita ke kau ngon ni dari lagi nak pai nak por dia pat tolong sampai imah adu kata-kata disukumen ketika balat ketai akhirnya Islam support kita ada wilayah kesaksian kebahas 20 tam begitu beru kalau pendep cetai mentah kepala untuk mentah kam dan kita mereka dalam ida sesuai ke pampat sesuai kalau pam sesuai dalam kalian sama dua sudah kurang sedang lawan berjuang menit bagi mereka kalau ya cek itu ada kalau long itu jadi kita bercakap tentang menit bagi sebut wilayah diskus seperti akan itu di ombak yang sale kita pan susu ya ka sangkat mai di mabakat kumka PPR terbuka cimang buka tendar kemudian jadi nilai pembedang ni asali ni kalau kita kira bila kubur bagi sesiong ni komiti kita kita pendap susu ya ke cimang kam apa ini ben kemudian jada susu ya kena ada nong